Hello to all students. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is digestive juice and their functions. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is digestive juice and their function. First of all, I draw a table of different digestive juice and their functions. First is serial number, second is digestive juice, secreted secreting organ or glands. Next, secreting enzymes. Next function is complex to simple. Next, target organ. First is salivary gland. Salivary gland secreted by ptyalin or amylase enzyme. Students, ptyalin and amylase enzyme digest to starch and convert to maltose. It is polysaccharide. Students, polysaccharide is a type of carbohydrate. It is disaccharide. But functions, organs or target organ is buccal cavity. It means this digest process complete in buccal cavity. Second, in stomach. Second is stomach. In stomach part, pepsin and renin. Pepsin, renin and lipase enzyme. It means stomach and there is cells to release pepsin, renin and lipase enzyme. Pepsin digests protein, renin digests milk protein, and lipase digests fat or lipid and convert into fatty acid. Next, paracasin. Next, peptones, and this digestive process complete in stomach part. And third is pancreas. Students, it is a mixed gland and it is a digestive gland. First enzyme is amylase Second is trypsin. Next is chymotrypsin. Third is carboxypeptidase. Next is lipase. Next is nuclease. Amylase is starch digestive enzyme and convert into maltose, but trypsin, chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase, they are protein digest enzyme and convert in peptones. Next, lipase, it is lipid or fat digest enzyme convert into fatty acid and glycerol. Next, nuclease, it is DNA or RNA digest enzyme convert into nucleotide. Next, all digestive process complete in small intestine. Next is intestinal juice. Students, human intestine part to secrete alkaline juice, it is called intestinal juice. In intestinal part, maltase enzymes, lactase enzyme, sucrase enzyme. Next, lipase. Next is nuclease. Next is phosphatase. And next is dipeptidase. Maltase digests to maltose and forms glucose. Lactase, it is lactose digest enzyme. Next, sucrase, it is sucrose digestive enzyme. Next, lipase, it is fat or lipid digest enzyme. Nuclease, it is nucleic acid, it means DNA RNA digest enzyme. Next, phosphatase, nucleotide digest enzyme and forms nitrogen base and ribose sugar. Dipeptidase, it is dipeptide digest enzyme and convert to amino acid. All biochemical reaction complete in small intestine part. And last is liver, it is largest gland, it is largest digestive gland to secrete bile juice and content of bile juice is bile salt. Bile salt to digest lipid in fatty acid and glycerol complete in small intestine part. Next is digestion of food. Digestion of food. Students, food Digestion is a mechanical and chemical process. Next is digestive site or organs is buccal cavity, stomach, and small intestine. It means food digestion process complete in three parts of alimentary canal. First, buccal cavity, stomach, small intestine. Next, digestive enzymes. First, carbohydrate digestive enzymes is amylase, maltase, and sucrase. Next is protein digestive enzymes is trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase, and third is lipid digestive enzyme is only one lipase. First is digestion in buccal cavity part. Once again, food digestion in buccal cavity part. Students, digestion of food initiates in buccal cavity part on the presence of saliva enzymes. First is ptyalin. It is also known amylase. Ptyalin or amylase is polysaccharide digest enzyme. It means carbohydrate digest enzyme and digest starch and convert to maltose. Next, digest food of buccal cavity is called bolus. Once again, what is bolus? Digestive food of buccal cavity is called bolus. Next is digestion in stomach part. Students, stomach, it is a part of alimentary canal. Shape of stomach is J shape. Stomach have many cells like chief cells, oxyntic cell, chief cell, and oxyntic cell. These cell releases inactive pepsinogen and hydrochloric acid. First is chief cell. It secrete pepsinogen inactive enzyme. First is pepsinogen. Next is pepsin. It is active enzyme. It is inactive enzyme. Pepsinogen active on the presence of hydrochloric acid. Next, pepsin is a protein digest enzyme and digests proteins and converting peptones. Next, renin. It is milk protein digestive enzyme in baby. Next is digest food of stomach is called chyme. Once again, digestive food of buccal cavity is bolus and digestive food of stomach is chyme. Students, in alimentary canal some specific peristaltic movement. Once again, in alimentary canals complete some specific peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement completed by muscles, and on peristaltic movement food pass one organ to another organ. It means one organ to next organ. Third is digestion in small intestine. Pancreatic juice and intestinal juice digest food in small intestine part by different enzymes like maltase, sucrase, lactase, dipeptide, peptidase, phosphatase, lipase. Next is lipid or fat converting small fat droplet on the presence of bile salt and lipase enzyme. This process is called emulsification. Once again, small fat droplet forms two lipid or fat molecules on the presence of lipase enzyme or bile salt. It is complex fat molecules. It is simple fat molecules. Next, digest food in small intestine is called chyle. Once again, bolus in mouth or buccal cavity part, chyme in stomach part, chyle in intestine part. So thanks, have a nice